Most students know the cast, or all students take calculus, where all the trig ratios are positive in the first quadrant, but only the sine is positive in the second quadrant, and only the tangent is positive in the third quadrant, and only the cosine is positive in the third quadrant. So, as the title say in my video, I'm going to show you why is the tan positive in the third quadrant. It's good to know. When you memorize something, it's good to know why. Okay. So first we make a right angle triangle in the third quadrant. Now, this is my angle theta, and that's what we call the reference angle. As we mentioned, the reference angle always is between the terminal arm and the x-axis. Now, as you know, the x-axis in this part right here is negative. And here, this goes along with the y-axis, and the y-axis also on this side here is negative. The hypotenuse is always positive. Now, why is the tan positive in the third quadrant? Tan theta equals, tan is opposite over adjacent, so it's negative over negative, which gives you positive. And that's why the tan is positive in the third quadrant. If you look at the sine, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Negative over positive is negative. The cosine is also adjacent over positive. That's going to give you negative. So only the tangent is positive in the third quadrant. And you could do that in every quadrant to find out why each one of these here are positive in their quadrants. Okay. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.